Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 6th of Indus Valley Public School RAT, where we will be doing lesson number 6 of your Honeysuckle book, and the name of the lesson is Who I Am. Children, in this lesson, we will be studying about the uniqueness of everyone's character. It is about various qualities, confidence building, interest and personalities. It tells about the diversification of person's nature. Everyone has something special in them. They are unique in their own way. This chapter explains the personality, uniqueness and interest of 6 different children. So here we will find different children as a character: Radha, Nasir, Rohit, Sarvajit, Dalma, Peter, and we will read about them, what different qualities they possess, what are different interests these children are having it. Okay, so just start with it. So now coming to the chapter. So before we read it, in this lesson we'll look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. So children, after reading this lesson, you are going to write about yourself in the same pattern: what you like, what you want to be in future, how you manage your things and all. Okay, so read carefully the lesson. Okay, so who I am. Many voice, why it is said that? Because we are reading about the 6 characters given in the story. So first character is about Radha. So my favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So my dear children, favorite means the most liked thing or dearest thing. Climbing means going up. Spread out means to open or arrange something over a large area. Comfortably means in a relaxed manner. Sensible means responsible. And in the fork means bifurcation. जैसे आप लोग का fork होता है ना, when you used to eat Maggi and all. So it has 2 different directions, 2 different sides are taken out. So that is fork. So now in this here Radha is sharing her liking and daring acts. Radha relates that her choice or her likeness is to climb trees. Outside her house there was a mango tree. She loved to climb that tree. Its branches covered a large area which made it easier to climb and sit in the bifurcated part of the tree. Her mother tried to stop her from climbing trees by saying that it was not good for girls. But one noon she also climbed with her, and 2 were able to enjoy talking and eating raw mangoes. Radha said that climbing trees made her feel as if she could rule the whole world. Okay, so this is all about Radha. Now coming to the next character, it is Nasir. So when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spent a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Okay, my dear children, so here it is told that like spend means to pay for some good or services, find out to discover or search, preserve means to protect the things. So Narcissus says that once he grow up, he would like to be a seed collector. What he wants to become? He wants to become a seed collector. As his family had cotton fields, and every year his father had to spend a good amount of money on buying seeds to grow cotton plants, so he wanted to stop this expenditure. His grandfather once told him that in their times they used to get seeds from their own plants. These seeds were used to grow new plants. He wanted to search the ways to preserve the seeds, as it would help them to save money. Okay, now moving to the next character. So your next character is about Rohit. So if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark Temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoyed in seeing nature more than old buildings. So now here raft, a flat floating structure to travel across water bodies. जनरली यू हैव सीन नो कि जब आप लोग देखते हो वाटर में एक प्लेन वुड प्लाई होता है एंड दैट वे यू यूज टू ट्रैवल ऑन द वाटर सर्फेस और ऑन द सी. Beaches, seashore, pyramids, a monument structure with a square or triangular base and sloping sides that meet in a point at the top, especially one built of stone on as a royal tomb in ancient Egypt. Pyramid generally you have seen here in school we used to make pyramid by using the children and all similar, that is the pyramid. So now Rohit is sharing his passion for traveling. He loves traveling. He loves to enjoy nature beauty. He says that if he had a big amount of money, he would like to travel a lot. He wished to visit the mountains of New Zealand because they look good on magazines. He also wanted to raft on the Amazon River in South America. He wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. His wish list also included Konark Temple in Orissa, the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt. But more than buildings, his wish was to be within nature. Okay, so now coming to the next character, Sarabjit, one of the interesting character of this story. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I'm telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I'm telling lies. The look on their face really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. Children, borrowed means to take something from someone for one special. So here Sarabjit felt angry when people showed disbelief to him. When he spoke the truth, people did not believe him. They thought that he was lying to them. Could not complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and did not return it, or he could not score good marks in spite of the fact that he studied or it was a matter of fight which he did not start, rather, his brother did it. So no one was ready to believe him, neither his teachers nor his parents. So he tried to control his anger. How? By looking down at his shoes and doing back counting. Okay, बोलते हैं ना जब गुस्सा आ जाए तो काउंटिंग शुरू कर दो, बैक काउंटिंग शुरू कर दो. तो उस तरह से he used to control his anger. Now coming to the next character, Dolma. She is also an interesting character. Let's see what she wants to be. So when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So now Dolma, what she want to be? She want to be Prime Minister to serve and make things better for everyone. People laughed at her ambition, but she was sure that she would achieve it. Whenever her classmates were stuck, they asked her for the solutions. Her teachers even believed her. They showed trust in her whenever something new was to be done in the school. She said that she wanted to make good hospitals, roads, and schools for the country. She also wanted that capable scientists should be there so that cures for disease could be found and spaceships to Mars could be sent. Okay, now coming to the last character of the lesson. So Peter, my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always go to the cinema hall to see film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Wow, everybody loves ice cream, no? Yes. Everyone is in good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So now, my dear children, here comes Peter's good day. Which day he likes most? The second Sunday of every month. Why? Because on that day, their family used to go out to watch movies, films. His father would have ticket beforehand and inform them. They all, who all are joining them? His parents, grandmother, two brothers, and himself would take a bus to reach the cinema hall. During break time, his father would buy what? Peanuts for them, which he loved to eat in the darkness of the hall while watching the film. After the film is over, they will stop to eat ice cream. So water is coming in your mouth. No, your mouth has become watery after listening ice cream, I think so. This kept everyone in a good mood, and they took it as a fortune. It's a good luck that they were a very happy family. Okay, children. So here we end with the lesson. So see how the characters has been described. Similarly, you have to write about yourself also. It is an activity for you. Okay, I'll give you activity in your assignment. Children, this working with the text you will do by yourself. I'll provide you in the homework. So you have to fill this. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because you have to give the reason. Nasir want to learn what? You will fill here. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because you have to tell the reason. Then you have to tell the true and false. Here, Peter is an only child. When Sarvajit gets angry, he shouts at people. Nasir lives in the city. Radha's mother enjoyed doing things with her. So here in this part, B part, you have to tell true and false. Okay. Now I'll give you a list of extra questions that you will be doing by yourself. Okay. So here is a homework. Do working with the text A and B on page number 73 of your book. Now extra question. A. What did Radha and her mother do in the tree? How Radha feel when she is high up in the tree? Next question. What Nasir like to do? Next question. How collection of seeds is different in present as compared to the olden days? What are the interests of Rohit? How did Sarvajit control his anger? Why Dolma think that she can become the Prime Minister? How can Dolma become a good Prime Minister? Why second Sunday of every month is the most favorite day for Peter? So these are the extra questions. So complete your extra questions, my dear children. Go through the lesson, go through how the characters are described in the stories, how children has been described in the lesson, their like, their dislike, their hobbies, their interest, and their future plans and all. Similarly, you will also write about yourself. Okay, so go through it, complete your work, complete your homework, to send me on my WhatsApp so that I can check it out. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much.